Hello and welcome everyone to Everything Essential. This is Neelam Medi and in today's video, I will be sharing a cure for dry chapped lips and darker lips. So today I have bought a home remedy which is pure and natural for darker and chapped lips. So now let's get started. For this home remedy, we need honey and lemon. Now take 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of lemon. Mix the ingredients properly to make a syrup. So our serum is ready. Apply it on your lips. Some of the reasons for dark lips are the lips are more receptive to drying out and becoming chapped, little humidity in the air during winter, and frequent sun exposure in summer. Another common cause of chapped lips is habitual licking. People have dark lips due to vitamin deficiency, dehydration, allergies, medications, hormonal disorder, and many more. So, we have to apply this serum on our lips and keep it for 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it with lukewarm